tastes good. Mmm. Wow. Try, have a bite. This is beautiful beef.
Really?
Oh, it tastes so great. Love it.
Let me have a bite. You know, actually, it smells disgusting, tastes disgusting.
Come on.
I don't really like it, you know. You don't even know what you eat, you know. It says 100% beef, but maybe it's full of fillers. You don't know. No, for me it's no.
What are you talking about? It tastes great.
No.
I love it.
No.
It smells nice. No.
I think nowadays we don't know what we eat. Especially when somebody says to us 100% beef, like McDonald's does. No, McDonald's. No, you know, I think it's no to me. No. Big no. I don't like this stuff. I don't like it.
I
Full
think
of
it's
fillers.
great.
No.
I think it's great. I really love this
Then
beef.
you can enjoy it, honey.
Oh, thank you so much. This is great. This is wonderful beef. I don't know why you don't like it.
Enjoy it.
Well, I think
Why?
I am going to. Mmm. Mmm. So tasty. This is great. I
Not
love
for
it.
me. Not for me, honey. It's full of fillers. You don't. A lot of people they fill it up with worms. You don't know what you're eating.
No, this is great. I think you're wrong. I think this is a wonderful burger.
Femi sees his hamburger with love, believes it's 100% beef. This is reality as he knows it. Reality consists of everything that exists. The bird is reality. The plant is also reality. It is impossible to know absolutely what reality is and not just our subjective view of reality.